Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you can be notified of more videos. And today I am on my channel because I wanted to share juicing recipes, and as always I will be sure to leave the information in the description. Very water dense fruits. I am going to be using oranges, watermelon, and cantaloupe. In this juice we are going to take some cantaloupe and some watermelon and some orange. So that's all we are using is the watermelon and the cantaloupe and the orange. And so now we are going to go ahead and juice this up. We're going to try some together. And again, this is the cantaloupe and watermelon and some orange. And so let's try it. It's definitely really good, and you know, I can taste the cantaloupe and the watermelon orange. I think they complement each other very well. So I hope you all enjoyed this lovely video. I'm so grateful when I can create these videos for you to nourish you and to help you to sustain your health and your well-being. As always, continue to be blessed, be true to yourself, be